धन्यवाद। इस क्रम में अगले प्रतिभागी हैं आर्य और इसके बाद तैयार रहें स्नेहा बोस।
जहाँ डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया करती थी बसेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा। जहाँ सत्य अहिंसा और प्रेम का पग पग लगता डेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा। Namaste. Good morning to all the respected judges, respected dignitaries, and all my friends present here. My name is Arya Gupta. I am from Baitul, and today I am going to speak on the topic 75 years of Indian Constitution, a journey of rights, duties, and progress. Our Indian Constitution is not just a set of rules. It's the soul of our democracy. Honorable Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar was not just the architect of Constitution, he is a true champion of social equality and justice for all. On this very day, 75 years ago, on 26th of January 1950, India achieved what it has dreamed for since 1930, that is Purna Swaraj. Now, when I talk about Constitution, I surely say that you might be also knowing that it encompasses of a number of rights and duties. But what are rights and duties? This is a coin, and rights and duties are just two sides of a same coin, which cannot be completed without each and another. So, the duties which we have to follow, we often ignore our duties. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to ask you a simple question. Are we together standing as Indians first? So I would like to point out two things, that if we want freedom, we must respect the freedom of others. If we want justice, we must stand by the truth. Now, I would like to move to the progress of our country. The progress, whether it is the abolition of untouchability in the article number 17, or whether it is the increment, or whether it is the reaching the Chandrayaan and mission in the spaces, our country has moved a longer way. So, dear all, the question is not how far we have come, but the main concern is that how far we have to go more and more. So I would like to conclude by saying that मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, भारत ये रहना चाहिए. So come on, let's together work to make our Bharat a Viksit Bharat, where women walk fearlessly, where untouchability is totally eradicated, and where reservation is meant to uplift the weaker sections, not to create the new problems for another sections. Jai Hind.